Going to do a quick little overview of the iNav setup I'm doing here in my Tundra. This is the first version. I'm redoing it. I'm actually moving this over a little bit, and the antenna is going to move over, I think, this way to fit the underside of it. But this is the heat sink comes up through and then holds the VTX on there, and then antenna on there, so that'll be nice little guy, and it's modeled off the stock one. And then inside here I've got the F722, Matek F722-Wing, and I designed this little pedestal to get the GPS up a little bit off of the flight controller. I was having some issues with noise with the first. I made a shorter version of that. I'll put pictures in this. And it's got a little R-XSR. Got to tuck that on the side. All the wire from when I had the camera. So I also built this little camera scoop to try and get a little more air onto the camera board. It was overheating a little bit, and then the wires come down in here through just a slit, and then they're stuffed in there and up through, and then it used to go all the way up to the nose FPV pod. So instead I've just kind of, in case I want to do that again, I just tucked all that wire up to the side. That goes to the camera 1 input. VTX will plug right in there also, and then I'll have smart audio so I can change. And then I've got the servo plugs are all tucked over here to the side. The GPS is plugged right in there. The servo, or the R-XSR with the smart port, so I'm getting all the telemetry back, so I can run the iNav Lua, which is great on the Taranis. And then kind of can see the battery leads up in there. And then there you can see the battery leads coming forward. And what I have is the ESC lead is a positive, the ESC goes into a positive cable, sorry, zoom back out, on the flight controller, and then there's a plug that comes up for the battery to plug into the flight controller. So just back to this, I don't have to have my balance plugs in here for the VTX or for the telemetry. You can also see here I've got a LED strip. I ran LED strip, just a 12 volt one with the balance plug, so I can run it off 3S. And that's got strip all the way back through. Now for the iNav, said just plug the battery in. It's stock ESC. I'm not using the BEC for that anymore though, so that shouldn't have any heat issues. Goes back to the flight controller and get some off the tail camera. So hopefully I will be able to get this out here soon to do some iNav maidens. Get tested out. I'm not planning to use it for a whole lot, but I would like the OSD functionality and maybe some return to home just in case the camera caps out or something like that. So yeah, look forward to seeing how this goes.